Is the Toyota 2024 Tundra a great truck to buy? I'm going to go through real quick my pros, my cons, my things I liked, my things I didn't like, things I preferred about my other truck that I'm getting back, and things that I really liked about this one, and how I kind of would come to a decision if you were on the fence about getting this truck. At the end of the day, it is just a truck, but it might be so much more to you. So let's dive into it. So as a truck, I really like it a lot. Beautiful looking truck. It looks so nice from outside. It looks so nice on the inside. It's kind of a luxury feel of an interior, which is super nice, super nice. I really like that. It's got a lot of leg room in the back, a lot of like shoulder room, arm room. When I put my elbow down, it doesn't bang too much, and it's not a plastic here, because usually there's plastic side, and that hurts. This has a bit of foam cushion. It's not as great as the Titan, but it's overall pretty good. And I like it a lot. I honestly got really used to driving this truck. I really like it. I really like the wireless phone charging because my phone doesn't work well with a cord, so that's super good. I like the Bluetooth feature. I really like the roof, and I really like just how it drives. It drives well, and it doesn't feel heavy to drive, and it picks up speed very quickly. I think over 12,000 pounds it could tow, which is about 2,300 more than my Titan. However, the box in my Titan is 6.5 feet, and this is 5.5 feet. So again, if you don't care about the size of the box of the truck, and you care more about the interior features and the back seats of the truck, I would definitely recommend this truck. Got a good backup camera. Look at that beauty. Let's put this back down. Close that. It's auto too, so I just press the button and it goes. Super fun. And then there's one for the cover if I want, but we don't. So we're gonna keep that open for now. It's a very interesting truck because it drives well. All the handles, all the tow options you have here. You have tow mode, drive mode. You can adjust it with settings, and then as you see here, I press tow mode, it goes tow. Drive, I go eco, sport, and normal. I usually keep it in eco or normal. And then as you see here, we can kind of find out some trip information. That's not too bad for mileage. Super good. And all these accessories on the side. You got your tripometers, your automatic high beams, your automatic engine off, your heated steering. It worked really well. I was able to tow a dump trailer. I towed a few other things as well, and it worked fine. And the mileage was, mileage wasn't too bad, all things considering. It is a truck, so if mileage is above all else and you're poor and you can't afford to fill it up that well, and you want like a smaller vehicle, definitely get a smaller vehicle. But if you want a truck and you are okay with paying about between 60 and 80,000 after tax with all the warranties and stuff, then this is the truck I would recommend. Again, if you care more about the size of the inside of the truck than you do about the size of the box, I would definitely recommend the Toyota Tundra. I had a blast driving it. I'm grateful I was able to drive it and use it as long as we did, and it worked out as well. And I just, I'm very excited to get my own truck back. But again, this was a beauty truck, and it was fun to drive. Let's go get the Titan back.